Hey there. Welcome back to Prompt Yogi, where we don't just prompt better, we prompt deeper. Today's episode is about something incredibly powerful: how to prompt like a therapist. We're not talking about replacing therapy, but we are talking about how AI, when guided by the right prompts, can help you gently unpack your emotions, reflect with honesty, and even find moments of healing. Because sometimes, all you need is a non-judgmental space to process what's going on inside. And surprisingly, AI can hold that space if you prompt it right. So grab a notebook, or just sit back, breathe deep, and let's go on a journey inward through the art of therapeutic prompting. Why AI can be a powerful mirror. We all know AI can code, write blogs, and even make music. But one thing people often overlook is its potential to mirror your thoughts, just like a therapist might. AI doesn't have feelings, but what it does have is language. And when used wisely, that language can help you name emotions you didn't know you were carrying, reflect without being interrupted, be gently guided to the root of an issue, feel seen and validated, even when you're alone. The best part: AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't judge. It doesn't rush you. But the key is in how you prompt it. Let's dive into exactly how to do that. The core prompting structure: listening, mirroring. Guiding therapists do three main things. Listen, actively mirror what you're saying, guide you inward. With open-ended questions, you can replicate all three with AI using structured prompts. Here are some examples. Prompt 1, the gentle listener. Act as a compassionate therapist. I've been feeling anxious lately, and I don't know why. Please ask me slow, open-ended questions to help me explore it. This type of prompt turns ChatGPT into a safe, patient guide. You'll find it asks you things like, when did you first notice this feeling? What situations make it stronger? What does this anxiety want to protect you from? You're not being told what to feel. You're being invited to uncover it safely. The core prompting structure: listening, mirroring. Guiding therapists do three main things. Listen actively, mirror what you're saying. Guide you inward with open-ended questions. You can replicate all three with AI using structured prompts. Here are some examples. Prompt 1, the gentle listener. Act as a compassionate therapist. I've been feeling anxious lately, and I don't know why. Please ask me slow, open-ended questions to help me explore it. This type of prompt turns ChatGPT into a safe, patient guide. You'll find it asks you things like, when did you first notice this feeling? What situations make it stronger? What does this anxiety want to protect you from? You're not being told what to feel. You're being invited to uncover it safely. Prompt 2, the mirror. I'm going to write how I feel. Please mirror back what I'm saying using gentle and validating language. This works beautifully for people who just want to vent or cry it out in text. ChatGPT can reflect, it sounds like you're carrying a lot right now, and you haven't had space to fully acknowledge it. Sometimes that one sentence can shift your entire emotional state. Prompt 3, the inner child healer. Help me write a letter from my inner child to my adult self. This type of prompt accesses your subconscious. It helps you hear the voice you've silenced over the years, the one that still needs love, attention, and softness. You can go even further with, now help me write a reply from my adult self, giving comfort and support. Types of healing prompts you can try. Let's get practical. Here are 7 powerful healing prompt types you can experiment with. 1, journaling companion. Guide me through a journaling session to process today's emotions. Ask one question at a time. AI can pace the session, just like a writing coach, helping you stay with the feeling instead of escaping it. 2, emotional vocabulary. Expander, I feel numb. Help me explore what emotions might be hiding under this. This helps you build emotional granularity, a proven factor in emotional resilience. 3, guilt and forgiveness. Processing. Help me forgive myself for a mistake I made years ago. Walk me through it step by step. This prompt invites compassion. AI can guide you from guilt to understanding to release. 4. Anxiety. Soothing. Act as a therapist trained in mindfulness. Walk me through a grounding visualization for when I feel panicked. This can generate a script you read to yourself like a meditation. 5. Procrastination and fear. I'm avoiding something important. Help me explore why I'm resisting it and how to move forward. This often uncovers hidden perfectionism, fear of judgment, or burnout. 6. Decision coaching. Help me talk through a difficult decision by asking me what matters most and helping me untangle the noise. No advice, just clarity. 7. Shadow work. Act as a Jungian guide. Help me meet a part of myself I've been rejecting. This is advanced, but deeply healing. You can personify anger, envy, or fear, and dialogue with it through AI. The golden rule: prompt with intention, not dependence. Now here's something important. AI can support you, but it can't heal you. It doesn't know your trauma. It doesn't know your context. So always, use it as a tool, not a savior. Don't bypass real emotions. Don't use it to avoid asking for help, and never treat it as a substitute for professional therapy. That said, for journaling, processing, and reflection, it's an amazing mirror. It's there when no one else is. And sometimes that's enough. So the next time your heart feels heavy, don't just scroll. Don't just escape. Try prompting like a therapist. Because with the right words, AI can become a mirror. And in that mirror, you might just meet a version of you that's finally ready to heal. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with someone who needs support, and don't forget to subscribe to Prompt Yogi, where we bring soul into every prompt. Until next time, stay grounded, stay curious, and keep prompting from the heart.